Welcome at Wood, Nail and Hammer. Just a quick look at how I recently made beautiful 45-degree mitre joints with quarter rounds for the Battle of Bluetooth project. So basically, when cutting a 45-degree angle on a quarter round, you can't just flip it around and form a perfect mitre joint like you would normally do. You will only end up with the round sides in the wrong direction or the corners not matching. This is probably not the most professional tutorial, but this is how it makes sense to me. For better accuracy, I prefer to measure the actual corner where the quarter round is going to be installed. Since the mitre gauge will be set to 45 degrees, the line doesn't need to be that accurate. I'm just using the line to indicate the correct direction. With the mitre gauge set at 45 degrees, note how I need to have the round side against the mitre gauge to match the direction of the line. For sanding the joining piece, I need to adjust the mitre gauge to 45 degrees on the opposite side, and this time I have to hold the square side against the mitre gauge to match the direction of the line. I'm doing this on the belt sander, but I'm sure this method should also work on the mitre box or mitre saw. And there we are, the closest to perfect I'll ever be in cutting 45-degree mitre joints in quarter rounds. I hope that also makes sense to you. Please consider supporting my channel by subscribing, and do check out the full build Battle of Bluetooth video on the end screen. And have a beautiful day.